Good, now don't sit up in the middle. Try not to move at all. Good, he might need a little more energy, Laura. Good, and look. Keep the elbows back. 3, 2, 1, jump. Good, now push back, don't stand up. Better, Louise. Yeah, that's better energy.
Yeah.
It's got to feel better to you. Good. Now push back a little more. Your shoulders are great. Don't even bother to move them. Good. See how soft she stays when you're easy to carry. Yay, Louise. Yes. It should be easy. Laura, he is lazy. He can find a little more energy than that for you. Good. Now remember, think open. Just think open. Hold still. And too
Walks
small for
over.
her. Don't move. Yep, I was hoping you were going to stay where you were. Good. The further back you can get your hips to go and stay, the easier you find it to maintain over your leg. Yeah. Good.
Not really happening.
We'll put it up in a minute. Don't move. Good. When you don't move, it's great. And Laura, you can canter him. It's going to be a lot easier if you get used to cantering in here. Since you're now cantering out there up and down hills. But still good to do it in here. You can. I'm going to put it up in a minute. It's awfully little for her. Good. Yay. Quiet here. Well, she just doesn't jump it.
Yeah, she's like,
You know, but she's invented going cross country, solid stuff. You know, she's used to looking at something to jump. 3, 2, 1, jump. Lovely.
That's perfect.